Tutankhamun's tomb was actually a giant, mystical Matryoshka doll made of gold and stone. Ancient Egyptian masters built a tomb to carry the young pharaoh to eternity, where a new container emerged as each layer opened. When archaeologist Howard Carter stepped into that dark chamber in 1922, he witnessed one of the most extraordinary sights in human history. 3 massive coffins nested inside each other, protected by a giant stone sarcophagus and enclosed by golden shrines. It was like an impenetrable fortress built to freeze time itself. But what exactly lay hidden inside this golden Matryoshka? What layers did the masters stack to protect the pharaoh? Let's explore those mysterious protective layers one by one, from the innermost golden death mask to the outermost part. As a side note, though theoretically these coffins should have fit perfectly inside each other, Carter witnessed something quite different in practice. The ancient artisans seemed to have rushed the job, making a minor calculation mistake. The foot section of the outermost coffin was caught on the lid of the stone sarcophagus. Therefore, ancient Egyptian craftsmen had to chip down the foot of the coffin, and Carter discovered the distinct marks of this work. Starting from Pharaoh Tutankhamun's mummy up to the outermost layer, the sequence from inside out is as follows. The pharaoh's mummy and death mask. At the very center was Tutankhamun's linen-wrapped mummy, and over his head rested that famous golden death mask inlaid with lapis lazuli. The innermost coffin, an anthropoid coffin made of solid gold, weighing about 110 kilograms, which directly held the mummy. The middle coffin, made of gilded wood and decorated with colored glass paste and semi-precious stones, this coffin housed the solid gold one. The outermost coffin, the largest anthropoid coffin, also made of gilded wood, which enclosed the middle coffin inside it. The stone sarcophagus, carved entirely from a single block of yellow quartzite, containing all 3 nested coffins. The golden shrines. At the very edge, 4 nested, gold-gilded wooden shrines completely enclosed the stone sarcophagus, filling almost the entire space of the chamber. 4 golden shrines, 1 giant stone sarcophagus, and 3 magnificent coffins. The mummy, resting silently in the tomb for 33 centuries, stands before us today as the world's greatest discovery. That young pharaoh behind the golden mask continues to fascinate humanity, even thousands of years after his death. Do you think this engineering by the ancient masters was just a belief or a message left for the future? Be sure to leave your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.